Hello everyone, this is Moni Singh and today we are going to learn the very first chapter of your grade 7 science, that is nutrition in plants. Our chapter name is chapter 1, nutrition in plants. Well, what does nutrition mean? Nutrition means taking food to get energy. It is a process of taking food to get energy. So taking food by plants. What we are going to read here, what we are going to learn here, taking food inside plants. How does plant do the process of nutrition, or what is going on inside plants to get nourishment, to get nutrition, to get energy. So nutrition is a process of taking food to get energy. Now the question arises here is, why do we need food? Well, already I have told you that to get energy, nutrition means taking food to get energy. Simple one. But is there a more reason? There are more reasons for taking food. Obviously, there are so many reasons of taking food. Why do we take food? There are so many reasons that why do we need food. These are growth and development. Growth and development of our body, it needs food, it needs energy, nutrients for growth and development. Like if you have seen a newborn baby, it's so small, then toddler, then young kid, then finally young one and adult. So there is gradually the body shape size changes from an infant to adult one. During all this growing period, the body of kid needs nourishment, energy, nutrient, and that they can get through food. We can get different kind of nourishment, nutrients, energy from food, and through which only our body grows, our body develops. Next is building new cells. Our body is made up of cell, and cells are known as building block of our body. Each and every cell grows, then our tissue grows, then organ grows, organ system grows, and finally an organism's whole body grows. So for building new cells, for growing new cells, nourishment is required, nutrients are required, food is required. Next is for repairing damaged cells. Third one. First, we discuss growth and development of our body. Second, for building new cells. Third, repairing damaged cells. During the our body works like a machine. When a machine works, there are different parts of a machine. These parts sometimes exhausted and damaged, and during that time they need some kind of repair works. For that repair work, what is the repair work that we have to do for machine? Like some kind of oiling or some other thing that we have to do, just or replace the that part of machine. Our body also works, it also exhausted sometimes, and it needs repair work, like repairment. So how we can our body can get the repair work? Our body, the repair work, that is repairing of damaged cells, also it is also done by food. Different kind of nutrients provided by the food also do the repair work, repairing of damaged cell. And next one is getting energy to do work. Our body also definitely we are doing different kind of work, like as a student, what we have to do? Physical as well as mental work. Physical means running, playing, jogging, anything that we are doing, exercise, etc. And mental work like reading, some kind of mathematical question needs mental work. Lots of learning also needs lots of mental work. So everyone have to do both physical and mental work. For all this kind of work, we need energy. That energy is also given by food. So these are the reasons due to which or for which we need food. Now, what we are getting from food? What is provided by food that enable our body for all this kind of work? Well, food provides us nutrients, or nutrients are these are components of food actually, which are found in food, and these are examples of these components of foods are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are components of food, nutrients of food that we can get from food. Each component, see, what is the first one? Carbohydrate. So carbohydrate is a component of food, nutrients of food, and each component of food having its own work. Like carbohydrate gives us energy, enable us to do various kinds of work. Protein is the second component or nutrient, and protein uh, makes our muscles. It is basically it does repair kind of work, repair of different kind of damaged cells, and finally it makes our body muscles, it grows, it helps in growing of our body. So carbohydrate is energy giving food, and protein is called bodybuilding food. Next is fat. Fat is also energy giving food. Next is vitamins and minerals. These are vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Protective food means it protects us, it protects our body uh, from different kind of unwanted materials like microbes. Now, let us talk about nutrition. What is nutrition? Well, nutrition is a process of intake of food and its utilization by body to get energy to do various life process. What is nutrition? It is a process of it is a life process. It is a process of intake of food. We can take food through during the process of nutrition, and our body cells utilizing that food for getting energy. Various kinds of processes are called life process. Out of his nutrition is a process, and during nutrition what happens? First of all, we take food, we intake food, it goes to first of all it goes to our mouth, then inside stomach, and different parts or organs of digestive system, and there the process of digestion takes place, and after digestion components of food are divided into smaller parts. It is broken down into smaller parts, and those smaller parts, molecules of food components, finally goes to bloodstream and gives us energy. So nutrition is a process of intake of food and its utilization by body to get energy to do various kinds of life process. Whatever work we are doing, we can do by getting energy only, and from where we can get that energy? We can get that energy by the process of nutrition. Now, let us talk about what are the types of nutrition. Well, there are two types of nutrition. These are autotrophic and heterotrophic. What are these? Autotrophic and heterotrophic. I hope the topic is clear to you. Now, in my next video, I'll discuss more about types of nutrition. Till that, just have a look on the chapter.